In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website, then sign in to the account you want to use with Marketplace. This is important because Marketplace access is tied to your specific account, not just the device you're using. Once you're logged in, look for the Marketplace icon, which usually looks like a small storefront. On many accounts, you'll see it right on the main navigation bar. If you don't see it there, tap the menu icon and check the list of shortcuts for Marketplace. Sometimes it's simply tucked away in a different section of the app. If Marketplace still isn't showing up, the next thing to check is whether your account is eligible. Facebook Marketplace is only available in certain countries and regions, and your account also needs to meet Facebook's eligibility requirements. In addition, your account should be in good standing, meaning it doesn't currently have restrictions that block Marketplace access. It also helps to make sure your account is fully verified. Confirm your email address and phone number. Make sure your account uses accurate information and add a profile picture if you haven't done that already. A complete and authentic looking account can improve access to Facebook features. After that, update the Facebook app. Go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Facebook, and install the latest update if one is available. Running an outdated version of the app can sometimes cause features like Marketplace to disappear or not load properly. You should also check for any account restrictions. In Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From there, open Account Status or Support inbox and review whether there are any Marketplace-related restrictions or other account issues that might be preventing access. If Facebook has removed your Marketplace access, open Marketplace if possible, and look for an option like Request Review or Appeal. If that option appears, follow the on-screen instructions and submit your request. This gives you a chance to ask Facebook to review the restriction. Another simple fix is to log out of Facebook, wait a few minutes, and then log back in. This can refresh your session and sometimes restore missing features. If the issue continues, try using another device or a different browser. That can help you figure out whether the problem is with your account or just the device you're currently using. And finally, if everything looks correct, it may just be a temporary Facebook issue. In some cases, Marketplace access comes back automatically after a little time, so it's worth checking again later. That's how to get Facebook Marketplace.